Hello everyone, Scarlett here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to reset a 2020 Volvo XC40 oil maintenance light. I already reset it, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. So I'm going to explain it to you real quick because I have the phone in my hand and it's kind of hard to do this at the same time. So basically you're going to be holding this button while it's off, and then you're gonna cycle the key, but it's not a key, it's a push start button. So you're gonna keep holding it, press on the start stop engine once, and then once you do that you're gonna start the entire car, remaining your finger pushed down on this button right here. So let me quickly do it. And then it's going to end up blinking, that little yellow exclamation point. Once that blinks, you're gonna let go of the button, and then you're gonna shut your car off, turn it back on, and then it will tell you that the maintenance light is reset. Level low. But yeah, right after that it will tell you that that the oil light has been reset. Sorry I couldn't do it like fully where you guys can actually see it, but that is how you do it. Thank you guys for watching.